So let's go ahead and look at our final example for these notes, and it's number 3. So notice here it's a little different. We have a -1 in front of the first term, so I've got -1x plus 2x minus 3, so that's our A, our B, and our C. Let's go ahead and find the axis of symmetry. X equals -b over 2a, so x equals -2 over 2 times -1. Let's simplify this a little bit. -2 over -2, x equals 1. So that's our axis of symmetry, meaning that we're going to have a point at 1 something in the center of our table. Let's go ahead and put this in our calculator. So we'll go to y equals, and this time we have -x squared. So make sure you're typing negative and not the subtraction sign. You have -x squared plus 2x minus 3. -x squared plus 2x minus 3. Let's check out our table. So second table, and we said our axis of symmetry was at 1, so that means that the vertex will be at 1, -2. We're going to plot the next couple of points. We'll go 2, 3, 4, 0, -1, -2. I'm either increasing by 1 or decreasing by 1 each time. So we have 2, -3, 3, -6, and 4, -11. And then similarly, -3, -6, -11. So we're just pulling all of this from the table. Okay, here's our vertex, because it came from the axis of symmetry. There's our vertex, so let's plot that. 1, -2, and then we'll plot the rest of our points. Now -11 we can't see on our graph, so we can kind of estimate where it would be, or you don't have to plot these points, but we should have an idea of where our graph is going. Okay, so we are recording our answers. Remember, we're looking for the number of solutions. Find the solutions that are found on graphing. Solutions are the points that intersect the x-axis. So if this is our x-axis, where does the graph intersect with it? Well, it doesn't intersect it at all. So we would say that this is no solution, or we might write it like that, because this graph does not intersect the x-axis. Okay, talking about that one. So just a refresher, what we talked about today, we talked about roots. They're called zeros, solutions, and x-intercepts. You could either have 2 solutions or 2 intersections with the x-axis, 1 point of intersection, or no solution, meaning it doesn't intersect the x-axis at all. Okay, hopefully you paid attention to these, and you're going to move on to the practice on your own.